Hey everyone, have you ever felt super drained, dizzy, or had weird muscle cramps out of nowhere? Your body might be screaming for the electrolytes. So, in today's video, we are diving deep into what electrolytes are, the warning signs your body is low on them, and how you can restore the balance with the right sources of electrolytes. Stick around till the end because I will be sharing some powerful natural ways to replenish electrolytes fast. So, let's get started. So first, let's see what are electrolytes. What exactly are the electrolytes? They are essential minerals in your body that carry an electric charge, helping to regulate nerve function, hydration, muscle contractions, and even your pH levels. The major ones include sodium, that keeps fluid balance in check. Second is potassium, supports heart and muscle function. Third is magnesium, relaxes muscle and prevent cramps. Fourth is calcium, helps with the bone health and the nerve signaling. Then next is chloride and phosphate that assist in digestion and the energy production. So without the right balance of these minerals, your body starts acting up, and that's where the warning signs comes in. So now let's see the signs your body needs the electrolytes. If your electrolytes drop too low, your body will also send distress signals. So watch out for these signals. First is frequent muscle cramps and spasms, especially in your legs and feet, a sign of low potential or magnesium. Second is dizziness and lightheadedness. A sudden drop in sodium can make you feel weak or even cause fainting. Third is fatigue and low energy. If you are feeling constantly exhausted, you might be low on electrolytes that help fuel your cells. Fourth is irregular heartbeat. Both low and high potassium levels can mess with your heart rhythm. Fifth sign is extreme thirst and dry mouth, a telltale sign of dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Sixth sign is brain fog and difficulty concentrating. Your brain needs electrolytes like the sodium and magnesium to function properly. Seventh sign is frequent headaches. Dehydration from low electrolyte levels can trigger pounding headaches as well. So, if you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it's time to restore your electrolyte balance fast. So, guys, now let's see how to take electrolytes. Restoring electrolytes is easier than you think. So here are some of the best ways to replenish them. First is drink electrolyte rich beverages. That is coconut water, homemade electrolyte drinks or sport drinks can help you. Second is eat electrolyte foods. More on this in the next section. So add a pinch of salt to your water, especially if you sweat a lot. Next is take supplements if needed. Magnesium, potassium, or sodium tablets can help you if you are deficient in them. Next tip is stay hydrated. Water alone isn't enough. Pair it with right balance of the minerals as well. Now let's see some best sources of electrolytes which are natural. So, if you want to keep your electrolytes in check naturally, here are some of the best food sources. For sodium, Himalayan pink salt, sea salt, bone broth are the excellent sources. For potassium, bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, and spinach are excellent. For magnesium, nuts, seeds, dark chocolate, and leafy greens. For calcium, dairy products, then almonds, sesame seeds, and leafy greens. For chloride, tomatoes, olives, seaweed, table salt. For phosphate, fish, dairy, nuts, whole grains, and a balanced diet packed with these foods will keep you feeling energized, hydrated, and healthy. So, guys, there you have it. Electrolytes are vital for your body's energy, hydration, and overall well being. So, if you have been feeling off, it might be time to check your electrolyte levels and start replenishing them naturally. So, guys, which electrolyte rich food do you swear by? Drop your favorites in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next one. Stay healthy and hydrated. Thank you.